morning, boys and girls. Let's talk about farm animals. Remember, farm animals are domestic animals because they live in the farm with the farmer, okay? So, here I have a barn. Here I have the silo. Here is my farmer, and we're going to start putting the animals that live in the farm, okay? So, what animal says moo and gives us milk? The cow. The cow lives on the farm. Then, there's an animal that says cluck, cluck, cluck. That's the hen. The hen. There's an animal that says ba ba. It's the sheep. Yeah, it's the sheep. Another animal that lives in the farm says neigh, neigh. It's the horse. The horse. I have another animal that lives in the farm that says oink, oink, oink. It's the pig. The pig lives on the farm. One animal that lives in the farm says quack, quack, quack. And that's the duck. The duck. Yeah? And there's a little baby chick that lives in the farm that says okay? So, these are the animals that live in the farm. The duck, the sheep, the pig, the horse, the cow, the hen, and the chick. Right? And all of them are domestic animals because they live with the farmer and the farmer takes care of them. Okay? So, now you're going to help me see how to put together these puzzles, okay? Look, I have a lot of pieces right here. And we're going to choose the mother and the baby farm animal, okay? So, for example, I have the pig and its baby is the piglet. Yes? Then I have the duck. Okay? And where's the babies of the duck? Where are the babies of the duck? The ducklings, and they are here, okay? So now the mother duck has its babies. So now I have the hen. And her babies are right over here. And they are called chicks, okay? I have a sheep. And now I'm gonna look for her baby. Lamb. The horse has a baby. And it's called a foal, okay? Foal. Then I have a goat, and his baby is called Kit. Kit. And the cow has its baby that is called a calf, okay? So here is the pig with his piglet, the duck with his ducklings, the hen with the chicks, the sheep with his lamb, the horse with his foal, the goat with his kid, and the cow with its calf. Okay? So that is very easy for you. Thank you for helping me put the mamas and the babies together. And now we're going to talk about how the farmer has to take care of his animals, okay? So the farmer has to give his farm animals clean water, yes? The farmer gives his animals clean water every day. Then the farmer has to feed his animals, yeah? He gives them clean water. He feeds his animals. Look, here the girl is feeding the chicken and here the girl is feeding the cow. And they eat different things. Okay, so they feed them with what they need. Then the farmer has to groom the animals. He has to groom the animals. Yeah, make sure they are clean and that they are looking good. Then the farmer has to make sure his animals exercise. Yes, the animals have to exercise. Then the farmer has to clean where the animals live, okay? The farmer has to clean where the animals live. He has to take his animals to the vet when it is needed. But also the farmer has to love his animals and take care of his animals and spend time with them, okay? So the farmer gives the animals clean water. He feeds the chickens, feeds the cows. He has to groom the animals, make sure they are groomed and looking good and clean. Then he has to exercise the animals. He has to clean where the animals live. He has to take them to the vet. And he has to love his animals and take care of them. And why does the farmer do all this? Because he's saying thank you. Thank you to the chicken for giving him eggs. Thank you to the cow for giving him milk. Thank you for the pig for giving him meat. Thank you to the sheep for giving wool. And thank you to the bees for giving him honey. Right? Perfect. Okay? So, the farm animals are domestic animals, and the farmer has to be good to them and take care of them and do all this for them. Right? Okay. So, now that we know all of that, we can do this page on our books. Okay? Let's go to page 18. And we're going to grab our pencil. And we're going to name the animals and the sound they make. Okay? For example, cow. The cow says moo. Hen. The hen says cluck cluck. The pig says oink oink. The duck says quack quack. And here we have rabbits. Rabbits can live in the farm too. And the rabbit says quit 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 quit. Okay? So you see the animals we have. You make the noises they make. And we are going to count. Here. We want to know how many cows we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? 4 cows live on the farm. Rabbits. We have 1, 2 rabbits. So you write 2. Then the pigs. You're going to count the pigs. 1, 2, 3. The ducks. You have 1. And here the hens. You're gonna look for the hens and you're gonna say 1, 2 hens, okay? So that is going to be your practice. Don't forget to write your name. Then let's open our books on page 18 to work on our homework, okay? Here we're going to look at the animals and we're going to make the sounds they make. For example, the horse says neigh. The dog says woof woof. The cow says moo. The duck says quack quack. The fish says glub glub. And the lion says roar. The lion? No, the lion doesn't live on the farm. Put an X, okay? You put an X on the animal that doesn't live on the farm and color the rest of the animals, okay? That is the first page of your homework. Then you turn around, and here we see objects that are around the farm. We are going to grab your pencil and we are going to count. Here we're going to count the peas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you write number 7. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 eggs. Okay? So count the pigs, count the sheep, the apples, the hats, the rakes, the flowers, and the carrots. Okay? And write your name. That's it for today, boys and girls. Thank you for learning about how to take care of farm animals. Bye.